What's going on, guys? It's Tom from Dudes Gourmet, and today we're doing part 2 of our salmon series, and we're smoking it on the barbecue. Guys, this is super easy. We're gonna be making some roasted asparagus as well as the salmon over here. Everybody always asks, hey Tom, why do you like fish foodies so much? Because their fish is always the best and they've thought of everything. So when you order salmon from them and you tell them, hey, I'm gonna be grilling it, they're gonna throw in a nice cedar plank. All you have to do is make sure this is soaked for about 2 hours in regular water, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is how easy it is. We have some nice oil right here. Just put a little on top, rub it in. Then we're just gonna coat this in Signature Salmon. Just make sure that your cedar plank has been soaking in water for at least an hour, or it's gonna catch on fire and you really don't want that. So, thanks Fish Foodies for thinking of everything, but let's cook this salmon. So there we go, now our salmon's prepped, and now all you need to do for your asparagus is cut the little tree barks off at the end, and then we're just gonna throw some olive oil, and a little bit of our wakame sea salt. Then we're gonna mix like this. And now, I'll meet you guys at the grill. So a good trick to cooking salmon like this is to keep it on indirect heat. So I have all my coals on one side over here, which is gonna be super hot, and then we're actually gonna smoke it / bake over here. So it's gonna be the best of both worlds. So let's get the salmon and asparagus on the grill and let's enjoy this meal. You wanna make sure that you keep your vents on the same side as the fish. The smoke's gonna be created over here where the coals are, and you want the smoke to be pushed through so you can smoke the fish and the vegetables at the same time. So normally this takes around 20 minutes. I would check it around 15 just to see where we're at. But you know, while you're waiting, you can go grab a beer with your friend, or you can go hang out. I mean, you can go play video games, you can do whatever you want, but this is gonna take around 20 minutes. All right, now that it's been 20 minutes, we're just gonna simply move our salmon over the direct heat now. So this is why your board needs to be soaked or it's gonna catch on fire. All right, guys, it's been 5 minutes, so that means the total cook time on this fish was 25 minutes. So we had 20 with indirect heat, 5 on direct heat. Let's grab this off. Look at how nice that piece of fish is, and our asparagus. The only thing to do now is to hit it with our Tasman wakame sea salt, which is a very nice finishing salt. Now here comes my favorite part, guys. Salmon and asparagus. Oh, look at that. That is a work of art. That is so good. This is why I love working with fish foodies. Who else is gonna give you the cedar plank to cook your fish on? No one. Look at that, guys. Cooked all the way through. So good.